Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Painted South. In today's video, I have another repurposed idea to share with you, and at the end of the video, several ways on how to decorate it. So let's get started. For today's project, I'm starting with this kitchen cabinet panel that I found at a thrift store. I believe it was an end piece for a base cabinet. I turned it sideways for this project. Now, I happen to love this traditional look, and I'm going to use this side. I love the stained color, but the back side could also be used instead. It's unfinished, and it has a simple shaker style look to it, and I think that it would be gorgeous either stained or painted with a nice faux finish on it. I scraped the old price stickers off of it, and I'm giving this panel a good cleaning because it has been sitting in my garage for about 3 years. This Old English scratch cover is a miracle product. I'm using the dark version, but they do have it for light woods as well. I'm just using a paper towel with a few drops of the scratch cover to rub over and fill in any of these scrapes and scratches, especially on the ends. It just stains those damaged areas without having to sand and refinish the entire panel. I purchased these two metal baskets at Hobby Lobby back in the spring, and I think they were 40% off. One is slightly smaller than the other one. To attach these baskets to the panel using the existing holes in the metal baskets, I would have to use hooks, and I didn't like the way that it would hang, so I wanted the baskets to be flat and secure against the panel. I found some old large screws, and I'm just going to place the screw through this little area in the metal basket and attach it directly to the panel. I'm pre-drilling a hole where my screws will be going, and I have a small dot marking that exact location. And this is how it turned out. I think this great accent wall decor piece could be used in the kitchen, in the bathroom, laundry room, mudroom, or really anywhere in your home. I'm adding 2 D-ring hangers to the back for whenever I decide exactly where I want to hang it. But for now, I'm going to set it on this stool and share with you a few decorative ideas using this piece. This is a neutral autumn look for those of you that prefer soft greens and white. I love the mix of the ceramic pumpkins with the natural tone of the raffia pumpkin. And I think this is a really nice, light, fresh look. For a deeper, richer look, I've paired these ferns, pine cones, and burnt red pumpkin with this black carved owl and 2 more whitewashed pumpkins. And I've also added some orange and red pitberry sprays in the bottom basket. Now here I kept the bottom the same, and I added this vintage ceramic owl in white to brighten it up a bit. And I just love these. You can find these at thrift stores all over the place for a great bargain. However, this little guy was a gift from my oldest sister, who scored it at an auction along with an entire box full of owls, and she sent those down for me, and I will be using those throughout my home for fall. For this more colorful look, I placed a basket with greenery and sunflowers in the bottom, and then a little basket with more greenery up top, alongside these old rolling pins that I've been collecting over the summer. And here I've used the same basket of greenery. I just switched out the orange sunflowers to the white ones and added a white hen and a tiny blue and white ginger jar. And then I added a little green and white pumpkin for a touch of fall. You guys, this would be a really fun piece to put in your entryway and decorate it with the seasons and just tuck in all kinds of little goodies and thrift store finds. I think this would be absolutely adorable over the toilet in a guest bathroom, filled with special toiletries, some towels, and anything extra that you may want to put in there for your guests. For a warm rustic look, I'm using these fall ferns, some dried lotus pods, a muted burnt orange pumpkin with a couple of wheat stems mixed in, and of course, Mrs. Hen and her little nest. And of course, with the autumn season comes Thanksgiving. And so I've created more of a harvest look here with this gather sign, some pumpkins, grapes, artichokes, gourds, and pomegranates. I've mixed in fall foliage in this one with some greenery and a little silver teapot. And for this last look, I added this gorgeous farm fresh pumpkin sign with greenery and cotton picks, as well as some pumpkins and Mrs. Hen, along with those little orange and red pip berries. If you haven't already done so, please check out my other videos, including these for the autumn season. I hope this video inspired you to create a repurposed piece of your own. Please like this video if you did, leave a comment below, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.